everyone and welcome to this new video. Here it's the last base to know in order to make all the dairy products we want. Today we are going to make milk kefir. We will take the kefir grains that are in milk and a bowl with a nylon strainer. We do not want to use metal as it could kill the microorganisms. First we will filter the previous batch, which contains the grains like this. These grains are microorganisms, clusters of yeast and bacteria that feed on sugar and milk to reproduce. Here they feed on lactose. They are excellent probiotics for health. For this recipe, we will take a glass bowl, preferably opaque, and pour the kefir grains into it. Again, we do not want to use a metal bowl as it could kill the microorganisms. Then we will add raw milk, preferably, or fresh milk if that's available. We will then cover it with a clean cloth and let it rest for 48 hours away from sunlight. Once the 48 hours have passed, we will take our kefir and filter it again. It is the same step as in the beginning of the video. So we take a bowl, then a nylon strainer, again, no metal, and we strain the kefir. We can clearly see the thick texture of drinkable yogurt that we obtained. Then we will continue filtering until we recover the grains. Here I am using a spatula, but you can also use a wooden spoon. Remember, no metal. The grains go into a jar and we will add fresh or raw milk again. Here I am using fresh milk. We will cover it and keep it away from light. And do not seal the jar tightly, air needs to circulate. We can make different types of cheese from it, so now we will make a cheese recipe. It will be cream cheese, like Philadelphia. We will put it in a clean cloth. Here I am using cheesecloth. And we will let it drain overnight. After one night, you can see the water at the bottom of the pan that has been drained, and the rest is the kefir cheese. The texture has nicely dried. We will transfer everything we have recovered into a bowl. And then stir it with a spoon to soften it. It is a slightly acid cheese that pairs well with fresh homemade bread, with just a little bit of salt on top. And there you have it. Now you know the recipe for making milk kefir. It's packed with probiotics, and we will soon meet again for new learnings.